Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about retromandibular vein. So this retromandibular vein can be a 3 marks question in the subject anatomy. Okay, so in this short video we will discuss about the origin as well as the course and termination of this important retromandibular vein. Okay, so this retromandibular vein, it is also known as posterior facial vein. Okay, it is also known as posterior facial vein. So first we will discuss about the origin. Okay, how this retromandibular vein is formed. So this retromandibular vein, it is formed by the union of superficial temporal vein. So with this blue color, what I am showing is this superficial temporal vein. So when the superficial temporal vein merges or unites with the maxillary vein. Okay, so this one is the maxillary vein, so I'll just label it out. So this is the maxillary vein, and this is the superficial temporal vein. Okay, so the superficial temporal vein unites with the maxillary vein to form the retromandibular vein. Okay, so how the retromandibular vein is formed? So retromandibular vein is formed by the union of these two important veins, superficial temporal vein and maxillary vein. Okay, now what is the course of this? Course of the retromandibular vein. Okay, so it, after its formation, it will descend down and it will descend within the substance of the parotid gland. Okay, it will descend down within the substance of the parotid gland, descending posterior to the ramus of the mandible, and at the inferior border of the inferior pole of the parotid gland. So this retromandibular vein divides into two branches, the anterior branch and the posterior branch. Okay, so anterior division of the retromandibular vein and the posterior division of the retromandibular vein. So this is the posterior retromandibular vein. Okay, so I am writing it in a short form, retromandibular vein, anterior and posterior. This anterior division of the retromandibular vein will unite with anterior facial vein. Okay, unite with the anterior facial vein. Let me label it anterior facial vein. That is the part of the facial vein, anterior facial vein. They will unite to form the common facial vein. Okay, common facial vein. So anterior division of the retromandibular vein unites with the facial vein, that is the anterior facial vein, to form the common facial vein. So this common facial vein, ultimately it will drain into internal jugular vein. So ultimately it will drain into internal jugular vein. Okay, and this posterior division of the retromandibular vein, it will unite with the posterior auricular vein. So it will unite with the posterior auricular vein to form the external jugular vein. Okay, so this posterior division of the retromandibular vein will unite with the posterior auricular vein to form the external jugular vein. Okay, so posterior auricular vein will merges with this posterior division of the retromandibular vein to ultimately form the external jugular vein. Okay, so this is the course and the termination of retromandibular vein. So what we have studied, let me summarize this one in this diagram. So I'll use a red color highlighter to make the point more clear. So the retromandibular vein is formed by the union of the superficial temporal vein. So with this red color I am highlighting the superficial temporal vein. So the superficial temporal vein will unite with this maxillary vein. Okay, so with the union of this maxillary vein and the superficial temporal vein forms the retromandibular vein. So this retromandibular vein, now at the inferior pole of the parotid gland, it will terminate into anterior division and the posterior division. This anterior division will combine with the facial vein, that is the anterior division of the facial vein, to form the common facial vein. Okay, to form the common facial vein will ultimately drain into internal jugular vein, right? Similarly, this posterior division of the retromandibular vein will join with the posterior auricular vein, unite with the posterior auricular vein. So, posterior auricular vein will unite with the posterior division of the retromandibular vein, and ultimately it will form the union of this form the external jugular vein, which will drain into the subclavian vein. Okay, let me show you another diagram. So, here also you can see this is the retromandibular vein with the red color. I am just highlighting this retromandibular vein. Okay, so it will divide into anterior division and posterior division. Anterior division will combine with the facial vein, anterior facial vein, and it will form the common facial vein, which drains into the internal jugular vein, and posterior division will combine with the posterior auricular vein to form the external jugular vein. Okay, to form the external jugular vein. Okay, so this is all about the retromandibular vein. Hope you liked our video. So please subscribe our channel and